right, man. So, after I did the whole split thing, I had an unfortunate accident or an incident on the on a plaza in Constant Spring. Altercation with some guys and stuff. They tried to drag me into a car. You know what I mean? I got hit with a gun. It was four of them, and I was fighting back, and I got hit with a gun over my left eye, 7 stitches and stuff. And it was a tricky time, bro. 'Cause, you have to find out what going on, and through the find out process, it's like your family has a dog, if you follow up this and you follow up that. So long story short, I went to foreign, bro. So I had to leave after, because shit kind of got rough for me now, bro. Even though I held it up for a little while in the earlys after the group, it got a little rough. And then that happened. And my family was like, yo, you need to just kind of breeze Jamaica for a little bit with the group split and this attack situation and stuff like that. And so, whenever I follow it up too much, I'm just leave, And I left and I was over there and I really spent an intense year and a half self-improving, bro. You know what I mean? And I encourage every producer, every artist, regardless of going through, regardless of what stage you're at in your career, dog, just keep self-improving and believe in yourself. Don't lie to yourself, but keep improving and bettering your skills. Once you hit them one time, you can hit them again, fam, especially if you improve. You see me? So I went away from and I hit rock bottom for a time. Why? I hit you know what I mean? I really hit the all-time low. You know what I mean?
It was the States what part of the States did you end up in?
I went to Florida, fam, and I was in such a bad place, and I was also in a little bit of fear because I couldn't know where the attack was coming from. So I actually... People don't know this, but I actually changed my image, and while I was doing a course to upgrade my music skills, I actually took a job in a call center.
Wow.
Yeah, I cut all my hair off, took out earrings and everything, changed my hair color to blonde, and just took a different identity, fam. I went from Esco to being Matt Thompson.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I did that for a while and stuff, and then out of the blue, Bounty Killer called me. He was up for a best of the best. He was in Miami for a best of the best, and he called Sister Marcy house phone. Because I was staying with Sister Marcy at the time, Marcy Griffiths, big up all the time, my stepmother that, whenever I'm not with my mother, she, me can go right off your foot. So he called me and he was like, yo, what kind of runway running from Jamaica, man? I'm here like you live a foreign now and thing. And I said, no, I'm a G, I just a breeze out and a cool out. Man said, what kind of breeze out, man? What kind of breeze better than island breeze? You need to come back at your yard, man. If you come back at your yard, man, what happened? Now what going on? What you need? Strength you need? What you need? What happened? Listen, just come back in, man, and and we set back the thing, man. The music, them need them, man. What you need to do? Just anything you need to do. Any side of the music, some side of the music need it. You need to come back in. So I pack my bag and say, I come back in, come do some work for about 3 weeks, fam, and I never returned to foreign from there.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.